It's the biggest show in the industry, and every year, I promise you, it gets bigger and bigger and bigger, and the crowds are more fun, and there's more to do, and it expands, and we're gonna go check it out. Come on. So behind me, this is just an inch. This is just a speck of the size of this entire show. Acres and acres. Hundreds and hundreds of manufacturers of just about every piece of equipment that you could think of to run your company. Hardscaping, landscaping, contracting, it's all here. But you think this is impressive? Let's go outside. All right, we've been around the expo on the inside, but now we gotta check it out outside where we have 20 acres to play with. If you wanna dig it, move it, mulch it, mow it, it's all out here. 20 acres that you can play with, that you can get your hands on the equipment, try it for yourself, see what's going to work for your business, talk to the manufacturers, find out how this product is going to integrate and make you successful in the future. This is your playground. Use it.